Alright, so we're gonna try and fix this check battery sensor warning. We got 2010 Acura MDX. So kind of did a bit of troubleshooting. Tested the battery was bad, so replaced it with a new battery. Still had the warning coming up. Unplugged the sensor, plugged it back in, still had the warning. Did a battery reset, and there's one fuse in here to check. It's this 7.5 amp fuse there. That is for the battery sensor, so you want to check that first, make sure that's not blown. This one was not. So pretty much narrowed it down that it's got to be this sensor here. So we're going to try replacing that. This is the new part. And here's the part number. Got it right from Acura. Ordered it online. About 200 bucks. So yeah, we're going to try and get this swapped out, see if that takes care of our issue. Alright, well, got the old one off. To keep the battery memory alive, I just got my jump pack hooked up to the positive, and then I'm just grounding it on the engine block. I know there's those OBD2 plugins you can use to keep the memory alive, but I don't have one at the moment, so we're gonna make this work. This old one had the plastic cover on it, which I thought maybe it would clip onto the new one, but they are a little different, so the cover won't fit, and it's also very brittle after being, well, 14 years old, I guess. So you can't swap the cover, so you just install it like this, I guess. But yeah, there's some few differences. The part number has changed, I see, as well, according to this. And this one, I believe, is original from 2010, it looks like. So, well, we'll get this plugged in and see what happens. Alright, so I ended up having to mount this a little differently. I had to turn it sideways instead of facing backwards like it was, because the cable is actually a lot shorter than the old one. But yeah, just all you need is a 10mm wrench, mounts to the frame there, right to the battery, and the sensor plugs in just like the old one. And yeah, no more light on the dash. Cleared the code and it didn't come back, so it looks like that took care of it. But yeah, this should apply to a 2010 to 2013, maybe even the newer ones. I don't know, I assume they use the same system still for the battery management. But yeah, I hope this helps someone. Get rid of the light on your dash and keep it running. All right, thanks guys.